In this video, I'm going to show you how you can see all indices in FxPro Edge. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, to do this, go to FxPro Edge, or if you can't access this FxPro Edge, then just go to your normal FX account. Choose the trading account you wish and then go ahead and use FxPro Web Terminal, and this will open FX Edge. From FX Edge, go ahead and choose the account, and once you're here, go to this plus icon. Under this, choose watchlist, and then you'll see indices here. If you click on it, now you'll see all the indices are available here. From this, you can see a list of all the indices. You can also add more instruments by clicking on this plus here to add any of them. You can also move around these indices to wherever you want, and this will be added wherever you want. So that's how you can see indices on FxPro Edge. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.